Hey guys, f550. Sorry it's been a while since I've posted a video. I've been kind of off some family-ish stuff, so I'm back at it. Last you know, it was about 10 inches of snow on these plow trucks. Now I actually have one that is what I have is an 08 f550 6.4. It died on and wouldn't start. The fuel pump down on the frame went out. And of course it was full of crap. I'll show you here in a second. But this pumps up, so we got a new one. New pump down on the frame. Hooked it up. It pumps fuel up here. I get nothing out of the fuel cooler. Let me show you what's inside of the fuel pump. What this thing does is it just cranks and cranks and cranks and don't start, but it pumps fuel up there, but it doesn't fire off. You see all this? Yeah. So here's a little tip. When you're down on the frame, this is the one down on the frame, when you're down there and you change that filter out, spray that out. It goes way down in that back corner down here. All this stuff settles. And when you open up your fuel drain, I mean, it's supposed to flush it out, but it don't. So have this drain open, spray all that out and get all that crap out of there. You won't get buildup. So, oh, typical Monday, right? So anyway, so I got the fuel filter out. I was checking to see if it had fuel pressure up here. I should say, it pumps fuel up to the filter, but nothing coming out of the cooler. Well, it comes from the tank, through the high pressure pump on the frame, up through the filter, goes to the high pressure pump, to the cooler, and then fire. So looks like I might be doing a high pressure pump. Anyway, if you haven't, let me try to get up here. Still got all the plow and stuff on it, so as I was saying, I keep getting interrupted, but anyway, if you haven't, check out the channel, like, subscribe, share. Peace. Appreciate all of you still with me. Peace.